Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update. In this episode, we'll visit the Kola Hilltop Viewpoint, Kola Beach and the Chota Kola Beach.
Welcome to a brand new season of Bunkers Note, where we bring to you Goa the way we see it.
We are Urvi and Utsav, full-time travelers and digital storytellers. We call Goa our home for the next 1 month and bring to you some amazing content as we experience Goa from north to south. While coming from Agonda Beach right at the junction where we have to take a turn for Kola Beach, there is a small shop named Sunshine Restaurant. There is this restaurant that is owned by a couple and they serve homemade food. So we stopped by here to have breakfast. Then we will go ahead and visit Kola Beach.
In breakfast, we have a pav bhaji. This pav is very fresh. With simple bhaji, I have a cat sitting just between my legs. He wants the pav bhaji, even he thinks it's very fresh. So we stop at this Sunshine Restaurant based on the reviews that we saw. So we have not yet here explored the area completely. Bhaji or the curry is made out of lot of lentils, onions, and there is some potato. Here comes the tea. Breakfast is not complete without tea. Now that we are loaded with tea, we can go ahead and explore Hilltop.
Our Google Map location is showing that we can drive off to the Hilltop Viewpoint, but we are not quite sure how far we can go. So we'll check that, we'll learn as we go, and we'll definitely keep you informed. We have reached the Kola Hilltop Viewpoint and the view from here is amazing. We'll show you in some time. We have parked our car at the back and the road leading to here was a bit difficult. I wouldn't say it was difficult, but it was that the road was not that good. But you can drive to come here. That will not be any problem. But it is worth it to come here. Let me show you the view.
We were expecting this to be a hike, but it turned out to be a motorable path which you can follow and come to the hilltop. It's a very beautiful view from here, and from here you can trek down to the Kola Beach. So you can reach the Kola Beach by road as well, or else you can come to the hilltop, and from here there are stairs which leads you to the Kola Beach. This hilltop view offers an absolutely amazing view. The effort to come here is absolutely worth it. It's a highly recommended place. To come here, spend some time. Look at that isolated beach right behind me. It's such a blessing to come here and overlook at that beach, that view. That's the first view of the Kola beach just behind me, and we have the stairs here. It's not quite steep. I think seniors can also make it easily. So the initial idea that I had that the staircase is not that steep, we turned out to be wrong. The end part of this staircase is really quite steep.
Yeah, it's very steep and it's a long walk downstairs.
So anybody who has any difficulty climbing up will find it difficult to come up the stairs.
Yeah, climbing up will be difficult. We can anticipate from now on.
And again, it is recommended that you complete this part early in the morning or during the sunset.
Yeah, it's quite hot. We just completed climbing down those stairs and now we will be going towards the Kola beach. We have to cross the small stream in order to reach the Kola beach. I am starting to cross the stream and oh no, my slippers. Oh, they are flowing away in the water.
Yeah, I got them for you. So we are right now at the Kola beach and relaxing at the Blue Lagoon Cafe. It's right by the beach. We can sit and enjoy the view from here. And while we sip on the cold drinks and some cold water, after this we might go and do some kayaking, or we might have a swim on the lagoon that is there.
After coming down the stairs, we reached Kola beach. And here there are only two beach shacks. Right on the Kola beach there is a lagoon and on the lagoon there are kayaking services and the charges are 200 rupees for half an hour.
I think this is going to be very interesting, and given that we are both non-swimmers,
Yeah.
that is going to be quite an experience.
Yeah, I'm already scared.
I have done kayaking before once or twice, and I think we can do it.
Let's hope for the best.
We are kayaking along this lagoon. I'm very scared.
Right now.
I'm very scared. I'm not doing anything. I'm just sitting. It's pretty, but I'm very scared of waters. And I can't figure out which way to go and how to turn this kayak.
It's a very beautiful feeling.
Yeah. Go this way. Go straight. Take straight.
See, I'm doing all the work.
I can't do anything. Oh God. Help me.
So many palm trees and coconut trees surrounding on both sides of this little river. It feels magical. I don't think Urvi will agree with me.
I don't agree. I want to go back to the shore. Oh God.
You would use beach taking pictures.
I'm not taking pictures. I want to go back.
After that kayaking exercise, we are now relaxing by the pool. I'm sitting on a stone between the middle of the lagoon. It's so beautiful out here. The water is so cool. It's a drastic departure from the temperature outside.
We did the kayaking, we are out of the waters now. We did a bit of swimming and now we'll go back, change into our fresh clothes and then we'll move ahead to the next destination.
Fresh pair of clothes on, shades on, and now we are walking towards the Chota Kola beach. We have heard that it's even more secluded than the Kola beach that we are currently in, but the beach size might be a little bit smaller than the Kola beach. We'll go ahead and see actually what it is.
We are walking from the Kola beach to the Chota Kola beach. The sun is high. It should be done early in the morning, but we spent quite a lot of time in the lagoon at the Kola beach, so we got a bit late. But still we are walking by. We have to pass some of the rock formations to get to the Kola beach.
We have arrived at Chota Kola and we are relaxing by the shades of two palm trees.
It feels so magical to get the beach by ourselves and it costs nothing. Many 5-star resorts you have to spend thousands of rupees to get to a secluded beach or a private beach, but here it is free of cost. Just walk to the Kola and walk a bit more to the Chota Kola and there is an open beach, so secluded, so nice, so serene. We'll just sit by here and spend some time and then head back.
Such an important activity I'm doing right now. I'm collecting pebbles on the beach.
We have taken the stairs to ascend up to the hilltop now. There our car is parked, so we have to go there. From there we are planning to go to the Sunshine restaurant that we saw where we had breakfast in the morning. The owner there was telling us that he's going to have some food and fun activity today in the afternoon. Hope we are not late for it.